Hi friends, this is Antony Vijay. Welcome to AVS Max Easy Tricks. This is my 8th video. Today's topic is multiplication of any 4 and 3 digit numbers in an easiest way. I just explained this through an example. So, for example is 5731 into 492. Okay, so first of all you have to write in this manner. Now I go for step by step process. So first step is you have to multiply the unit places of both the numbers. It is 2. You have to put 2 here. Second step is you have to multiply the unit with the 10th places and add it. So 3 into 2 is 6. 9 into 1 is 9. It is 15. Put 5 here and 1 as a carry. So in the step 3 you have to multiply the unit places with 100th place, and you have to multiply the 10th places of both the numbers, and finally you have to add. So 2 into 7 is 14. 4 into 1 is 4. 9 3s are 27. It is 45. So put 5 here and 4 as a carry. Okay. The fourth step, you have to cross multiply the unit place with the 1000th place like this, and you have to cross multiply the 10th place with the 100th place like this, and finally you have to add. So 2 into 5 is 10. 0, this is 0, so skip it. So 9 into 7 is 63. 4 into 3 is 12. Add it. It is 85. So 5 here and 8 as a carry. And the fifth step, you have to multiply the 10th place with the 1000th place like this, and you have to multiply the 100th place of both the numbers. So 9 into 5 is 45. This is 0, skip it. 7 into 4 is 28. It is 73. Put 3 here, 7 as a carry. And the last step is you have to multiply the 100th place with the 1000th place like this. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. This is 0, skip it. Put 0 here, 2 as a carry. Finally you have to add all those things. So 2, this is 5 here, and this is 6, this is 9, this is 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3 is 11. Put 1 here, 7 plus 1 is 8, this is 2. That's all. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.